Come on. You're good. It's just you're on the sidewalk or it's fine. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. A little bit, little bit. I'm telling you, look at my hand. Look behind you. Look in the mirror. Okay. Okay. I guess we're removing the floors.
Because they came off way too easy. Like, they're not even setting at all.
Cool. Cool.
So unfortunately, the floors that we put in here last week did not work. We had to tear them out because they were just like fraying up, and some of them weren't even stuck to the ground. So we just took them all off and bought some new laminate flooring instead, T-lock kind, because they look better and they seem better and they're cheaper. So, but I'm out $60 on those other floors, so that sucks. But here's these. These actually look a lot better than the other ones, and they go with the wall. So we're gonna get these in. Hopefully it's not too hard. So we had some leaks in the front overnight here, and to figure out where they were coming from, I untrailed up there, and a bunch of water just like flooded down. So we realized this was a problem. All through here was like rotted out and just filthy. So we took that thing off, which means we now have to replace the gasket for the windshield, which I don't think we can do on our own, so probably gonna have to pay a pretty high price to get that fixed, but it's worth it to not have to worry about leaks in the front, because that's bad. But there was a lot of water getting in, and ants, more ants. Pretty sure ants were just living here before me. It's like, move out already, guys. I live here now. Thanks for it. See, that's what we're doing today. We were gonna finish the walls today, but hopefully we can get more of that done. But the floors look great. So that is a win for us today. And we're gonna get to the painting. We picked out a new color. It's not in here, it's right here. For the palette, because we needed a third. And it's like a sandy beach color. So that goes with it. And yeah, that's it for today. Cease. Right on a magic school bus. Oh, hi, Max. Just sitting there.
This is life. Chad, can you go cut these for me real quick?
You want me to cut something?
I need them shortened just a little bit. Yeah.
We don't stop. Little Max in the background is dying. Ta-da.
Couldn't be exact on the whole size.
You kid.
PKW TDP.
GDP.
Let's go on to Canada now.
Okay. Go on to Canada now.
Going on to Canada. There you go.
And get out of the heat box.
It's not actually that bad in here now.
I'm just.
When you're working, it is.
I need to drink more. Some.